Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making an easy, delicious cake called tiramisu. In a mixing bowl, beat the cold mascarpone cheese with a little bit of whipping cream for about 20 to 25 seconds. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. In another container, beat the whipping cream with sugar and vanilla extract or essence until it forms soft peaks. A very warm welcome to the new viewers. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. It is free. Fold both the whipping cream and the mascarpone cheese. Please avoid over mixing, meaning as soon as it comes together, stop. Brew or make coffee without sugar and let it cool in an open container that you can dip the cookies into. Dip the finger lady or boudoir cookies into the coffee. Then line them in a 20 by 20 centimeter container. Dip quickly, like in and out, to avoid the cookies melting before you line them up. Spread half of the cream on top of the cookies and level the cream. This is like a trifle. Follow with another layer of dipped cookies. Close the gaps if any. I was scared to close them, thinking I'll be short of cookies in the first layer. Follow with the rest of the cream and level it. Then set the cake in the fridge for 3 hours or overnight. Once set, sprinkle the top with unsweetened cocoa powder. Please press the like button and leave me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts about this recipe. Cover every corner and space with cocoa powder. Serve it cold. You may serve it from the container. You don't have to take it out. I took it out for you to see how it is like. When cutting it, wipe the knife between the cuts. I hope you will enjoy this dessert. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.